How are you
I'm
doing?
good. Thank you so much. You're looking so good with your t-shirt. Your clothes is looking so professional. I
Oh,
like it there.
oh, really? Do you think that?
Yeah, honestly.
I like to be very sports quality. That's why I got this on.
He's looking so well, so professional, so good.
All right. Do you want this one?
No, that's fine. It's okay. Just keep for yourself.
Yeah, but
Don't worry, but you're looking so professional.
yeah, but I wanted to get a gift like your using t-shirt. I wanted to get one from you.
That's fine. I can appreciate that. That's fine. It's okay. If you come in the UK, you will send to me some post office and I will collect them. Don't worry. That's fine.
Oh gosh, thank you, very kind. But which size t-shirt do you use?
For the t-shirt, my size is S, small.
Yes.
Yeah, S, small.
Can I see one of your t-shirt?
I don't have right now, so don't worry. Just type a small, and it's too easy.
Okay, whatever.
If you wanna.
Okay, but whatever. But I would like to put your using t-shirt in myself as a gift that I got from my United Kingdom friend.
Okay, so don't worry.
Okay.
Alright, that's fine.
Okay.
It's okay.
So, dear friend, can I have a question?
Sure, go ahead.
My question is, you look very pretty. So, how many proposals you have got already in your life from boys?
I don't know what you mean. What about the propose?
Propose like to make a good friendship or as a boyfriend.
I have too much got of friends, but you know, even I go to metro, just I realize that one thing, I don't need too much friends in my life.
Oh, pretty cool.
Too much friends.
No, look, usually what happens actually in my country when the people turn to the teenage like 18, 20 or 21, 22, in this era of their age, they try to propose to the girl or girls try to propose to the man. So such kind of this way, it your own perception, either you receive or not. I'm asking this kind of question. Have you got this kind of propose in your life?
No, I don't need a friend.
Okay.
I don't believe no one. I believe just myself.
Oh, so right now are you single? Isn't it?
Yeah, I'm alone. Yeah, I'm alone.
Oh, but don't you think that you need to have a good friend like when you are feeling sad or something else, you need to hang out with my friend?
I think so. Online platform for that things is the better way. I don't believe no one. When you're gonna explain your problem to your friends, they're just gonna make about your gossip.
Yeah.
Gossip.
All right, like gossip. Got you.
That's it. Yeah, you are gossip.
I love
If you
your
have a problem,
yeah. I love your life journey. Look, if you have lots of friends in your life, all of your anxiety will be off. So it's better to be by myself or to rely on myself.
I don't want to believe no one.
But you don't believe me?
I believe you. You're my friend as well, but you're in online. I told you, the online is better way. You know?
Thank you. So if I say I love you?
Yeah. Love it. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Take care.
Okay, thank you so much.